And
Yeah,
there's probably a lot of people going, what is a body shop booster? What exactly is it? I've seen some ads on Facebook and social media, and I've heard the
sure.
name. And
Yeah.
if you know Dave Lure and Elite Body Shop Solutions, you might have heard it coming from him a few different times. So
Yeah.
just for the audience, kind of give me a rundown. I know what it is. I've seen it. I think it's awesome. But can you explain in a nutshell kind of what it is?
Absolutely. Well, you know how you go into work and you're at the body shop and you feel overwhelmed, right? You go in there, there's
Yes.
all this admin pressure. We've seen this now more than ever, where that admin pressure continues to build, right? Back when I started my shops, I had one person in the front office, Rick, to 4 production staff in the back.
Yeah.
Today, most shops have one person in the front and one production person in the back. And this admin pressure keeps building up and you probably feel like your hair's on fire. Well, that's why we built Body Shop Booster. Was it's all about taking those admin tasks, those highly repetitive tasks, and really automating it and buying back a lot of your time, a lot of your staff's time. Everything